Pasko na, sinta ko, hanap-hanap kita.
She's the girl you never heard. She's the girl you never wanted.
Ikaw ang dahilan
Until someone else did.
umiwas nang
Hindi ako pumunta rito para mag-away.
Kung hindi
Pero alam mo, maraming nagtatanong kasi, Ed, meron ka pa raw bang kinatatakutan?
In terms of paranormal events and mga elementals, wala na po siguro. Yung kinatatakutan ko, it's not paranormal. It's all about yung maiwanan ako ng aking minamahal.
On its 20th anniversary, Star Cinema proudly brings a story that will make you appreciate what you have